Hi buddy, welcome to this video. Indian Institute of Foreign Trade has launched an internship program through which you can earn up to 60,000 Indian rupees. So we'll be seeing all the details regarding the internship program and how to apply to the internship. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, can you do that first, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also visit answersQ.com website to get more update on free online courses, jobs, internships, and a lot more things are available for you. And now let us get back to the content. So Indian Institute of Foreign Trade IIFT, which is one of the top most business school in India, has launched an internship program for Center for Trade Facilitation and Logistics, that is CTFL, and this center was established by the government of India. So let's get into the internship now. So the internship is going to be a research based internship in which you will get some practical in-field experience as well as some office based work. Everything will be related to logistics, supply chain, and all other things like that. And the internship period is going to be somewhere between 3 months to 6 months. And now let us move on and see the eligibility criteria and all other details regarding this internship. So eligibility is you just need to be a college student. That is the eligibility. You can do BTech, BA Honors, BSc, or any suitable graduation. It can be of engineering, law, economics, even MBA, MTech, MA students can also apply. And they have given here another line note that candidates from other academic disciplines are also encouraged to apply. But provided that they should have that knowledge and interest to work in logistics sector. So basically anyone can apply to this internship program at IIFT, and this program is called Flexi Internship Program by Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, in which you will get exposure to trade, logistics, and supply chain operations. And this is going to be a part-time, full-time commitment for at least 3 months to 6 months. So if you are applying for this internship, you should be ready to commit 3 months at least. You should be ready to commit at least 3 months for this internship, and it might go up to 6 months at a maximum level. And your job as an intern is going to be doing research, compile reports, and assist ongoing research and allied work at the Center for Trade and Facilitation, Center for Trade Facilitation and Logistics. And once you complete this internship, you will also get a certificate from CTFL, which is going to be a very valid certificate for you guys if you are moving on to this logistics sector. I mean, if you have your future in logistics sector, this is going to be a really valid certificate and really valid experience. And here comes the money part. Here you can see that you can earn up to INR 10,000 per month. So if you go and work for 6 months as an intern, you can earn up to 60,000 Indian rupees in total in this internship. But it depends on various other factors as well, like your qualifications, experience, and the duration committed, because it will change accordingly. Whether you are doing a 3 months or a 6 months, it will change up to that. So the thing is, you don't have to work for free. You will have a stipend, which is going to motivate to you work more. And you should have your CV ready to apply for this internship now. It is just a first round of shortlistings. You might have an interview, I don't know about that, but they have given here first round of shortlistings. And if you are interested in applying to this internship, please do apply before 28th February 2021, and only selected candidates will get the intimation mail. I mean, only the shortlisted candidates will get another mail from them. And once you get selected, you should be ready to join immediately in the internship program. And let's see how to apply. Here is the link, and you can see here that only shortlisted applicants shall be intimated. So let's see how to apply for this internship program now. Here is the application form. So you just need to fill in some details here, like your name, father's name, category, email ID, contact details. And once you are done with giving all the details, click on the proceed button. So let's give all the details and move on and see how is the next step. So once you give all your details and click on the proceed button, you will be coming on to this page in which you have to fill in your educational details, and then you have to give your experience details, and then you have to upload your photograph and CV, and then you have to confirm your application submission for this IIFT internship program. So this is how you need to apply for this Flexi internship program for Center for Trade Facilitation and Logistics, which is launched by IIFT, that is Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. So I hope you'll find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, internships, job updates, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media networks like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.